Hey everyone, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we've got a finance face-off, Taxfyle and Hubdoc. One helps you file taxes stress-free and the other keeps your documents organized and your books clean. Let's see which one is right for you. When we look at their main focus, Taxfyle focuses on on-demand tax filing with licensed professionals, while Hubdoc focuses on document capture and organization for bookkeeping. When we look at AI capabilities, Taxfyle matches users with tax experts. It also has AI assistant accuracy, while Hubdoc has AI-powered data extraction from receipts, bills, and bank statements. When we look at who or what they are best for, Taxfyle is best for individuals and businesses during tax season, while Hubdoc is best for accountants and bookkeepers managing lots of documents. When we look at ease of use, Taxfyle has a simple app. It's a simple app actually. You upload the document and connect with the professional, while Hubdoc has easy scan and sync with accounting software. Pricing, let's look at pricing. Taxfyle's pricing is based on a pay-per-use for tax filing, while Hubdoc is a subscription-based pricing that also includes some accounting suites. Yes, accounting suites. So here's a breakdown. Taxfyle is perfect for tax season. Just upload the documents, get matched with a licensed tax professional and let them handle the filing. Hubdoc, on the other hand, isn't about taxes directly. It's about making your accountant's life easier by capturing, extracting, and syncing all your receipts, bills, and bank statements. So takeaway is Taxfyle equals to expert-driven tax filing solution, while Hubdoc equals to document management for smoother bookkeeping. So choose Taxfyle for your tax season, and you can choose Hubdoc if organizing financial documents is slowing you down. So let us know in the comment section what you decided to do, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that